Yeah, I'm competing for the AWS-a-thon 2020 finals, the competition where everyone in the world is competing for the one trophy that AWS provides to be the best AWSer in the world. It's really, really competitive. Like Australia, they train against those kangaroos, and those kangaroos, they know how to spin up EC2 instances. So I gotta watch out for those. Like, what if they just have a kangaroo in disguise doing the competition? It's illegal, but it's kind of just like roiding. Like, take steroids, but you can also be a kangaroo. It's really hard to tell. Yeah, scrims are going pretty well right now. There's not really any competition for me. I think I can beat everyone because I have this super secret service that I use. I can't tell anyone the service, because then they'll know about it and they'll use it in the competition. But I don't want that. So I have this super secret service. It really just came out. AWS just put it in their patch notes, kind of like secretly. It was way at the bottom of the patch notes for AWS. So like I read all the patch notes, and then I found this one. It was a game changer. It was basically a whole hack where you can just do everything much faster. You get 300% performance boost. It's actually crazy. So the super secret service, I'll give you a little hint. So it allows me to skip VPC calls. So I go directly to the judges. So I don't have to go through the calls, and that makes me go faster. And if I'm faster, I get a better chance at beating my competitors. So my competitors have claimed that they can DDoS me anytime, and I have found protections against this. Not the normal protections that AWS provides, like in their patch notes. No, it's very secret protections. So these protections, what they do is they don't only block the DDoS attacks. They do something called reflect the DDoS attacks. So what they're gonna do is they come to me, and then I send them back right at them. And it's really powerful, as you might tell, because it stops their attempts, which they take a lot of time producing, and then it just puts it back onto them, which really gives me a competitive advantage. And that's what I feel like I'm really strong at in this AWS meta right now. Yeah, I've developed my own framework to make sure that my competitors don't understand my tactics. So it has a 20% performance boost over every other framework, like CloudFormation, Terraform. No, those are all very slow kind of things to produce infrastructure. I wrote like one line of code, and it produces 50 services for me instantly. There's no wait time. There's a little secret for you. Like in the competition, you just say no wait, and AWS will just make sure spin it up instantly. It'll put you on the top of the priority queue. It's really secret, and it's really strong in this meta. People have been asking me, hey Dan, how do you get your S3 buckets to be free, like forever, in your competitive scene? Because that must cost a lot of money, right? Well, I have a little secret for you. I have 15 free tier accounts. They're gonna last me for the next 15 years. And then once that's over, I'll just get my friend Jeff to make another 15 AWS free accounts. So yeah, I just get free storage, free everything, free wins. It's like AWS it's really easy to me. I don't know how these people think they're even pros at this point. See this, what looks like an Amazon Echo here, it has the 4 buttons, the Amazon Echo buttons. It's actually not an Amazon Echo. This is actually the fastest computer in the world right now. And it lets me go directly to the AWS cloud, and I just say something to it, and it'll basically call a service, a Lambda function, and it'll create a skill. But you might think, oh, that's what an Amazon Echo does. But no, this is much more powerful, and I have my own secret skills in here that call very secret services that no one knows about. And if I told you, I would have to kill you. So I can't tell you, I'm sorry. Yeah, I think the finals are gonna go pretty well for me. Brewmaster69 is really good at making those Alexa skills, but I have found a way to get around it and make sure those skills aren't actually called at all. They're always gonna produce an error for him, but he doesn't watch my videos, so I think I have the competitive advantage, and I think it'll be like 3-2. Like I expect him to find some secrets, but I should be good.